Hey, I am Anjali. With the blessings of my spiritual master and his divine grace, I am sharing with you my views. You have liked and appreciated my videos, listened to them, and that motivates me to be with you again and again. There are different thoughts, different feelings that we can share with each other. Today, I am with my views about this word. This word is very beautiful. There are too many beautiful things. The word is a thing of beauty. We love beautiful things. But have you ever think that this word is the word of sounds also? There are many sounds in this word that keeps us alive, and listening those sounds make us happy. The birds chirping, the raindrops falling, the mountain breeze, the trees, the thunder in the sky, everything has a sound, and we recognize many things with the sounds. So the sounds are everywhere in the nature, and sounds are in our body also. In the morning, we need no alarm to get up. If there is a beautiful tree outside our bedroom, the birds start chirping early in the morning, and they are the alarm to wake us up. Listen this sound of birds and enjoy it. If I ask about the body and ask which part of the body is most important, surely you will say heart and the mind, heart and the brain. So let us feel our heart. I hope you have never done this. Feel your heart. Just keep your hand on your heart and feel the upward and downward movement. Feel the breath that is coming and going, and in between there is a beat that we call dhadkan. We can listen this dhadkan, and this is our life force. This is vital for us. So keep your hand and feel my heart is beating, keeps on repeating. How beautiful is this beat? So try to listen it and feel it. It is vital for life. Next is the mind, and mind is related to the brain. Now here are two words, mind and brain. Mind is the most important part of the body, but we never try to find out what the mind is. Is mind an organ? Is mind the physical part of our body? No, mind is not the physical part of our body. Brain is the physical part of the body. Mind resides in this brain. Then what is mind? Mind is the thought process. Mind is the storehouse of thoughts. Mind is the storehouse of our emotions, our feelings, our jealousies, our good wishes, our positive thoughts, our negative thoughts, and above all, imaginations. Our mind is too imaginative. It is always imagining one thing or other. And all these imaginations gives way to civilizations, give way to experiments, discoveries, and so mind is the most important part. So now one thing is clear, that mind and brain are correlated, but they have different entities, and brain is the most important part. Heart is equally important, as heart has the pumping station in it, and it has to pump the blood into our body. This is its mechanical part, and brain is the most important part. If brain dies, consciousness dies. So brain dies, that means everything comes to an end. Our body becomes still if the brain is not working. Here I can say that brain is the hardware and our mind is the software. Now you will think, from silent sitting, why I am telling you about this brain, about heart, about mind. So to support my point, why silent sitting is important, and to support this, I want to give you an example. Very simple thing. We always see rivers, we always see sea, SEAC. What is sea? Sea is the storehouse of water. Lots of water is there. What happens? The rivers pour water into the sea, and sea becomes the big storehouse of the water. Lot of water is there, waves are there, beautiful waves. We can enjoy them. We can listen their music sitting on the shore. But have you think what happens when these waves takes the enormous form? When these waves are very big, when these waves are very high, and the tide is there, and the wave are higher than the buildings, and at that time they are so disastrous. They have such a great power that they can wash away all the things that come in the way. So big buildings, cars, you have always seen flowing in the water when the water is in a enormous form, when the waves are high. Then what is the relation of this example with the mind? Our mind is the storehouse of thoughts. These thoughts are also just like waves, coming and going, coming and coming and coming. And we are happy with these thoughts, we enjoy them. But what happens when too many thoughts are stored in the mind? When lots of thoughts are there, they start giving trouble to us. We feel pain in our head, we feel stressed, and we feel physically weak also when we are overthinking mode. So never be in overthinking mode. Be cautious about your thoughts. Be cautious about your mind power. And to control these thoughts, to be calm and quiet, silent sitting is important. So, to control the mind is to control the body. If the mind is balanced, the body will be healthy. So, to cool the mind, to wrap the mind, not to fight with it, not to wrestle with mind, we have to sit silently for some time. And for this, follow all the instructions as I have told by previous videos. Sit in a comfortable position, and for this, you can make a beautiful place in your home where you can sit for some time away from all the worries, all the hardships of the world. You can make this place in your puja room, in your study, or if you have a garden, you can make it in your garden also. So, I hope you will like my idea. Make a beautiful place in your home. That is your personal place where you can sit for some time. You can think beautiful things. You can control your breath sitting there. So go there for some time and sit silently. Enjoy your breaths. Try to control your thoughts. Thoughts are not a controllable thing, but even then, in silent sitting, we have a great control over our thoughts. So sit silently for some time in the place which you have made for yourself. You can make it beautiful, you can make it enchanting by lighting a lamp, by an incensed agarbatti, and so make this room and enjoy these sounds that are all around us. And the most important sound is the Om. Chant Om in different way and feel its vibrations. Every time you will find that Om is giving you different types of vibrations. And if you will speak it just like the aeroplane goes away from us, you will feel the vibrations in your upper chakras. So chant Om. Om. And chant Om normally. Om, Om, Om. You will definitely find a difference the way you speak, the way you chant Om. So be with the beautiful sounds, enjoy them. Thank you for giving time to me. Meet you again. All the